Some people are wondering, is it a good idea to buy a stock at an all-time high? I always recommend to buy at the high, and people say you've already missed it, it's too late. I mean, I want to put some proof behind it. So I created a backtest in TradingView.com, and here's the results. 65% profitable. So definitely a good idea. If a stock is going up, it's going to tend to continue going up 65% of the time. This is on SPY, which is the index for the market in general. So here's today, and this is a few years ago. So the strategy is, it's very simple. It's we get the all-time high for the year, so the 52-week high, and that's this green line that you're going to see. So during some bad times, like the 2008 housing crisis, we were not at all-time highs the whole time. So we never went in, which is great, because what are the chances that you're going to enter at exactly this bottom, rather than just thinking that it's the bottom and actually getting screwed. So when the stock is going up, that's usually the best time to get in. So whenever we go past the all-time high, we're going to enter a trade, and we're going to stay in that trade for 10 business days, so about 2 weeks. And I can adjust that. I made it a variable so we can change it. The reason I did 2 weeks is because a lot of people do option strategies about 2 weeks from expiration. We can also do 1 month to see if the results are any better. So let me zoom in, and again, on the strategy tester, it looks profitable with current settings. So I wanted to do a quick little demo, so let's click on let's backtest. Click on backtest from here, and for example, so if we zoom out, we can see that it's already trending up, and so people will ask you, should you buy or sell? So let's go ahead and press play right here. You can see this. Okay, so if I press play, you can see as the stock starts to break above the 52-week high, we're going to start entering the trade. So right there, it broke above, not very strongly, but it's a program, so it doesn't know if it's significant or not. But it actually did go above within 10 days. Or I think, let me check the settings. 20 days, so about a month. Okay, so 20 days, and the stock actually did go up. So let's see how much profit it made. 2%. So not bad. When you look at an option strat like a vertical spread, 2% can get you a ton of return, almost 100%. So definitely not bad for 30 days work. 100% in 30 days, very good. So you can see it's not reaching the all-time highs anymore. So I'm going to let it play. It hit the all-time high, so it opened the trade. It's going to wait for 1 month and then close it. So that was unfortunate. That one lost a lot, 1.3%. That's things happen. That's why it's only 65% chance. All right, so it broke all-time high. So you can see it was going up. It just hit all-time highs. Let's see how it does for 1 month. And it closed above. So another thing to remember is with these options, if you would have opened it here, you could have closed it at any point. So you could have taken your 1%, you could have waited for it to close, or if you had a longer expiration, like 2 months, you could have held on to it until it actually did become profitable. So it's all about how you want to play it, but definitely the strategy overall is proof that stocks that are going up continue going up. So there's 65% chance, and then if you add in the fact that even though right here after 2 weeks it dropped a little, if you kept holding, it actually did pay off a lot. So let's see it again. It just broke all-time high. and we made 1%. Not bad. Broke all-time high. Made an absolute killing. Look at that. 3% almost. So when the stock market's doing good, don't bet against it. It's a lot easier to just buy at all-time highs. I mean, if you think there's some news, of course you can do your own thing. But if you're just gonna do technical analysis, the best thing you can do is just buy at all-time highs, factor in the RSI if you want, and keep the expiration date as far out as you can. So 1 month, 2 months, even a few months. If you're gonna make 100% in 6 months, that's not so bad, especially when it's almost guaranteed. So if a stock is going up, and if you would have bought it at any point and waited 6 months, you would have closed in a profit. So with the options, 5% is huge. Just wanted to write this quick little code to show you guys, and if you want, I can publish it for you so you can test it on the other stocks. Publish script. I'll put a link in the description.